Good morning, everyone. Today I am making a Tsunamayo Onigiri, which is Tuna Mayonnaises Rice Ball for my daughter. She's going to a school trip to the park nearby school, and she wants me to make a onigiri for her instead of regular bento. Since my wife doesn't need a bento today, so I'm just making 2 onigiri for her. First, this is the Bluefin tuna flakes in vegetable soup. I take out all the liquid out of can, and I'm going to add everything into frying pan. First, I'm going to stir fry a little bit, take out any excess water. I am going to add nihonshu, which is sake, the rice wine. And add home mirin, which is sweet rice wine. And add Soseito, which is brown sugar. I am going to cook a little bit until all the sweetness from sugar and home mirin get into the tuna. So I cook until the most of the water content evaporate. Then I am going to add saltiness, the soy sauce. I'm going to use Usukuchi Shoyu, which is light soy sauce. Light soy sauce is lighter color and salty compared with dark soy sauce. The reason I'm using a light soy sauce for this dish is because I don't want to put too much color, dark color to it. So I cook further until all the water content evaporate and done. And it is important to make the tuna dry as possible, because when it gets too wet, then if you put it in onigiri later, it's difficult to manage. Onigiri becomes too soggy. I'm gonna cool it down a little bit before putting the mayonnaise. Now temperature is low, so I'm going to put mayonnaise in it. If it's too hot, mayonnaise will melt. And this is done. And the rice is done. I'm gonna move this rice into ohitsu, this wood bucket made from Akita cedar. It absorbs the excess moisture in the rice. Also, it helps to cool down the rice. When the rice is cooling down, sometimes it gets dry, but if you put in ohitsu, it stays the right amount of moist in the rice. Now my youngest daughter is awake. I need to hurry. The bento box that I use for making bento every day is also made from Akita cedar. I'm using this bento because the same reason, it absorbs the moisture of bento. If you have too much moist in the bento, it causes the food poisoning. That's why I'm using this particular bento box instead of like plastic bento box. So I'm gonna make the shape of triangle. And I'm going to put Nori, which is dry seaweed. I got this from Saga Prefecture. Saga Prefecture produces the Nori most in Japan. and onigiri is done. And when I prepare onigiri for bento, I use wrinkled aluminum foil to wrap the onigiri. It's because it prevents onigiri from becoming wet from its own moist, and it also prevents nori from sticking to wrapping paper like the plastic wrap or even the bento box. So if you have ever have a chance to make onigiri, try to use aluminum foil to wrap the onigiri. You will see how easy it is to eat onigiri out of aluminum foil. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. And you can use this tuna for sandwich as well. You can make a tuna sandwich. That also good. So please give it a try. Thank you so much. Bye bye.